Hello, this is Raymond. I don't know if you can see me. This is my June 2021 unboxing party. And what have I unboxed? I think you can tell, my favorite Ninja. And I'm going to tell you something about Ninja. It helps me lose weight. Now, maybe this isn't an official policy of Young Living, but I want to tell you what I did. So, number one, how many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I still had one in inventory, plus one half open in the fridge. So if I had 1.5 already lying around in inventory, why did I get 6 more? And the answer is this. You're supposed to take 1 ounce in the morning in a tall glass, fill the rest with water, and put in maybe an ice cube because it's so good cold. But I take more than that. I take if I pour in 1 ounce and fill the rest with water, then I do it 3 times a day, or sometimes I pour in 1 or 2 ounces and do it twice a day. Why? First of all, it's delicious. First of all, it's absolutely delicious. But second of all, you can see right on the label that there's only 15, where does it say it? 15 calories. Now I can't even find it. Oh well, it says right on the label, 15 calories. Well, a normal person should be consuming 1,500 to 1,800, maybe even 2,000 calories a day. So 15 calories is negligible. So number one, it doesn't add any calories to you. Number two, it adds such a delicious flavor to the water that you'll want to drink the water. Most people in the Western world are terribly dehydrated. And every single diet program, anytime you go to a doctor or a chiropractor or any healer and you're recovering from something, they always say, drink lots of water. Every diet says drink lots of water. And yet we don't. But with Ninja, I do, because I pour so much water into the glass and I eagerly drink the Ninja and get the water. So I get lots and lots of water, and that helps with weight loss. Also, I remember in one weight loss program I took, what they said was, whenever you feel hungry, you're usually actually feeling thirsty. Let me say it better. When you think you're feeling hunger, actually what you need is water. And so when you drink water when you're hungry, that usually satisfies you because you're not really needing food. You're just misinterpreting the signal. And so Ninja helps me drink lots and lots of water. And I have lost, get ready for this, not amazing, but it's good. I've lost 9 pounds in the last 10 weeks. 9 pounds in the last 10 weeks, from 184 to 175. So in a week or so, I'll be down 10 pounds. And a lot of it, now, I don't have any sugar and I exercise and I'm careful what I eat, but the Ninja is helping a lot. Wow. So next thing I want to tell you about is my absolute favorite oil. It is Northern Lights Black Spruce. And you've heard me talk about it, so bloody well order it. It's amazing. Number one, it helps with sleep. And number two, it's the most divine fragrance you could imagine. It feels like you're lying in like an evergreen forest. It's so wonderful. I diffuse it all the time. And the other is rose. Now, rose is a really expensive oil. It's very, very expensive. It takes 1 ton of rose petals. That's a lot. 1 ton of rose petals to produce 1 pound of rose oil. And so what most people do is they buy Joy essential oil from Young Living, because the major ingredient in the compound Joy oil is rose. And so it's far less expensive. But if you can afford it, get the rose itself. First of all, it has a delicious fragrance. But second of all, if you rub it on your heart area and rub it on your sweetheart's heart area, then there's like an explosion of intimacy. It's really amazing. Jack Canfield talks about it. I'm now talking about it. It really, really, it's wonderful. So what else have I got? Well, I've been using this toothpaste, and it's called Dentarome Ultra. Dentarome Ultra, and it's got lemon on the cover, as you can see. But just for fun, and I was almost out of it, so I ordered it again, but I also ordered this one, a whitening toothpaste. And so I'm going to see if I like it. But I just ordered it. I probably will like it. And you'll probably see my teeth are going to be much whiter in the future. See the teeth there? Yeah. And usually Young Living gives free oils. But they just changed their policy. I guess people have gotten way too many oils. They're starting to send this. And this is foaming hand soap. And it's amazing. It comes out as pure white foam, even though if you look inside, like if you unscrew it and look inside, it's a clear liquid. But when you press it, it comes out as a white foam, and it smells divine. They have different flavors. One is thieves, one is luscious lemon, and one is lavender. And I got this free because when you order well over your 100 PV, you get something for free. So I got this. But I also ordered a refill. So I don't have to throw this in the garbage or recycle it even. When I use it up, I just buy a Thieves or a lavender or a luscious lemon refill bottle. You can see it's almost empty because what I did just before this video is I ran around the house topping them all up. I love doing it. So that's what I ordered. That's what I actually ordered, including my lovely Ningxia. I love Ningxia. I love it. I lose weight. It's delicious. It rejuvenates my organs. It makes me younger. Heck, I can run an hour now at age 76, and I was unable to run at all for 40 years. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's really amazing. So this is my June 2021 unboxing party. If you haven't ordered yet, order immediately. And by the way, for Americans, shipping is free, but there are about 4 or 5 shipping options. You have to scroll down to the one that says free. And the other comment is for Canadians, that you don't get free shipping, but what you get is $10 back. You get $10 cash back, which you can use in future months if you order on the 5th or earlier, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. But you're getting this after the 5th, so you've missed it, but do it in July. Bye-bye. Ningxia.